our tortilla chips. We get the dough, we put it into what's called a sheeter. Two rollers. The dough goes inside, make a sheet, a masa. We actually make the tortilla formation with cutters underneath. The product will come out in tortilla form into the oven. It's at 450 degrees. Makes them like a real tortilla that you get in any restaurant or home. We make ours actual tortilla. Unlike our competitors where they would have triangles coming out of the sheeter, we have to have real tortillas that are being made. Makes our product a little different because we're the natural way of doing it from real tortilla. So we have our oven here. As you can see, the metal slats would be like any conventional grill. The actual tortilla gets on there. It gets 3 passes going through. We put the top, the bottom, and the middle before it goes on to the cooling process to cool it off before it gets cut. These are tortillas that have been baked. They're brought down to room temperature. We let a little dehydration process go on. We try to eliminate the moisture. More moisture means more oil. So we try to get them as dry as possible. We let them sit for a couple hours. You can see they're getting drier right to almost the right point to be fried.